Okay, am I clear now? Is my audio clear? Just type yes. Please type yes if my audio is clear. Okay, so let's get into the topic again. So we started, yeah. So we started with this hadith that Prophet ﷺ said, "Innam salama tadawaitum bihi al-jama wal qust al-bahri." Okay, so Prophet ﷺ said that qust al-bahri is the best medicine. Okay, he also told us about the best medicines. Likewise, we also have another hadith which says that black seed, kalonji, habbatu sauda, alaykum bi hadhihi habbatu sauda, fa inna fiha shifa, likulli da illa sam. That black seed has shifa, has healing for all the diseases except death. So likewise, there is another hadith of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam which says that the best medicine is what? Costus Root. So there are two variants. One is the Indian version, the Indian variant, which is called Kustal Hindi. The other version is what? Kustal bahri, the sea custus. Okay, both have the same efficacy, but the difference is the Indian version is strong, it's dark in color, it's brown. The sea custus is light in color, it's yellow, and it also has a mild taste. Okay, so usually it is bitter. Please make a note. Okay, right. So I am sure that you are clear with this concept. Okay, till now. So what are the primary uses we are going to utilize? Where in what indications? Here is a list. So it is tonsillitis, throat infection, cold, cough, asthma, wheezing. It's a very good immune enhancer. It is very good. It's very effective in flu conditions, skin diseases. Now you can forget, you can discard all those cosmetic, those toxic products. I'll tell you how. It also takes care of the blood pressure, takes care of the liver, takes care of the kidney, thyroid, because it's going to, heal the throat, isn't it? So where is the thyroid gland? It's there in the throat, right? Then IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. So today it's a trend. Like most of the children have, you know, IBS issue. Fibromyalgia, okay, muscle pain, joint pains, infertility, hormonal imbalances, and also expels sihr and jinn possession. Very important. Make a note. Okay, so you can take Kustul Barik or Kustul Hindi if you think that you are under some magic spell, sihr, or someone has jinn possession, you can always recommend them to take what? Take Kustul Bari. Okay, right. So Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam has said that it is the best medicine. Then it's going to be the same. It is not going to change even 1% till the last day. Okay, so best medicine. So we are just behind all those antibiotics, antihistamines. So why don't we try the sunnah first? Okay, why don't we take Thibb as the primary source for health and healing? Please make a note. Right. So now we are going to another section where I'm going to give you few formulas, few indications where we can use and how to use. Okay, right? Dosage, preparation method. Okay, how long you might have to take. Okay, so the first indication we're going to deal with is cold, cough, and throat pain. Okay, so usually, okay, now it's in India, most of the cities they are going through the flu season. Okay, every other person has a sore throat. Okay, and hoarse voice, phlegm, cough. Am I right or wrong? So we can seek healing through this remedy, through this Thib remedy. Okay, note down. Dosage. Just take 5 grams of Custus powder. This is for adults, men and women, 5 grams. Can mix this with water. You have to take 1 hour before the breakfast, 1 hour before the dinner, 2 times a day. So how many days you need to take? Take it until your symptoms subsidize, until the symptoms go away, and when you feel good, you can stop. Okay, right. So this is for adults. Now for children from age 9 to 15, you can give them half a teaspoon. Okay, so approximately it's 2.5 grams. You can give them twice a day. Okay, similar thing. Just stop when you feel that the person is okay. For children from 3 to 8 years old, you have to reduce the dose. You can give them just 2 grams. Okay, you can also give it to babies, half a gram. Just put them, put the coastal bahri just on their tongue. Okay, and inshallah, see the changes. Clear? Now, for chest condition. So let's say, the person develops a lot of phlegm, there is congestion in the chest, okay, can't breathe properly, okay, and has breathing issues. So in that case, you have to make a little bit stronger formula, okay. So you take 50 grams, you have to make this formula and keep it at home. Okay, for those who have wheezing, asthma, you can give them right away. Just mix 50 grams of this Cust powder with 120 grams of olive oil, okay. See, whenever you choose olive oil, always choose the extra virgin olive oil, the cold pressed olive oil. Okay, not the other ones, the usual ones, which comes for for cooking and for dressing, also for salads, which is used for salads. Okay, always buy for healing purpose extra virgin olive oil. Clear? So you just mix 120 grams to this custus powder, then also mix 250 grams of honey to this mixture. Okay, so make the nuskha out of this. Okay, it will be like a paste. Okay, and you can use this every day, 5 grams twice a day, half an hour before the breakfast and half an hour before the dinner, for taking care of all your chest congestion, wheezing, asthma. Okay, it works really nice. It's a wonderful medicine. We have used this also during the COVID period. Alhamdulillah. Okay, with the grace of Allah, we saw very best results. Alhamdulillah. Okay, right. So next formula, it's about digestive issues. I told you Kustal Bhari also takes care of digestive issues as well. Okay, like for example, the most trendy one, irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, indigestion, gastric troubles. Okay, so here you have just have to change one ingredient here. Instead of olive oil, you are going to replace that with kalonji powder, black seed powder. Take 50 grams of Costus Root powder, then 50 grams of equal amounts kalonji powder, then mix this mixture in 200 grams of honey. Okay, and you can use this for your gastric issues, your IBS, and for indigestion. Okay, dosage, yeah, 1 hour before the breakfast, then 1 hour before the dinner. Clear? So this you can continue, right, for 10 to 12 days. Like 10 to 12 days is one course. Okay, then you can you can have a rest. You can stop for 1 week. Okay, then you can again start the next course, the second course. Inshallah, in the next course, you will see best results. 60-70% of all your gastric trouble will come down, inshallah. Okay, right. Then this is detoxifier formula. Okay, this also helps for those who have issues in the liver swelling, hardening of the liver. Okay, here you just have to replace honey with sidr honey. Okay, see, 1 teaspoon, approximately it's 5 grams. Okay, make sure that your teaspoon holds 5 grams. Okay, 5 grams is the max dose. Okay, so see, 100 grams of custus powder you have to mix with 300 grams of sidr honey. 300 grams of sidr honey. Okay, just make a note. Okay, see, sidr honey is a very special category honey. Okay, sidr honey is very good for sihr, for magic, black magic. So sidr for sihr. Always remember this. This is rhyming. Sidr for sihr. Okay. I always say this. Right. So this formula is for mainly for detoxification, hormone imbalance, fibromyalgia, okay, muscle pain, okay, and liver issues. Fantastic medicine for all such diseases, right? See, about buying, selling, you know, I can guide you where you can buy, but I don't sell anything. Okay, I can tell you where you can buy online or wherever you are. Can give you the links, inshallah, later in the group. Okay, right. So once you know this, inshallah, you can start buying and start applying in your everyday life, and you'll see the changes. Okay, you'll see, especially the old age, the kids, they will develop and they will have strong immune system, inshallah, that we have seen in our own eyes. Okay, because this is prophetic medicine. Prophetic medicine is not like, the doctor's medicine who have done 20 years of research and found out something, right? Then after 5 years, the doctor says, no, no, this medicine has a lot of side effects and doesn't give, sometimes, sometimes give big side effects. This is prophetic medicine. This is definite medicine. It comes from Allah. It is revelation. Okay. So when you use it with iman and yaqeen, tawakkul, inshallah, you will see the results with your own eyes. Miraculous results, I'll tell you. Okay. Right. Okay. So next thing I want to tell you about usual things, elders have joint pains. People might have uric acid issues. Okay. And some might have arthritis. Okay. So this nuskha is best for such issues. Okay. So you have to take 25 grams of Costus root, uh, equal amounts of these three ingredients. Costus root 25 grams, kasni powder. So what is kasni? Kasni is that green veggie. In English, we call it chicory. Chicory, yeah, chicory. You have to make a powder of it. Okay, 25 grams. It is also a Thib medicine. It's a very, very effective one. Very good for the liver, for circulation, circulatory, system. 25 grams of kasni powder, then 25 grams of sana makhi. Sana makhi. Senna leaves powder. Senna is also a sunnah medicine. It is mentioned in the prophetic medicine. It has a lot of benefits. Okay. Generally, it's a very, very effective detoxifier. It is the best medicine for constipation. Okay. It's mild and it's really effective. Okay. So you have to make powder, a mixture of all these three powders. Then you can take it every morning and evening, 1 hour before the breakfast, in the evening before food, 1 hour before your dinner, or maybe you can take it in the evening, not an issue. So this is the best medicine for what? For joint pains. Okay. It also takes care of your skin. Okay. Takes care of arthritis and rheumatism. Inshallah. See, Kasni in English is chicory. Note down. Chicory. Okay, so let's do one thing now. Let's do a quick diagnosis. I would like someone there to on their mic. I'll unmute your mic. Just raise your hand. Okay, let's have a general discussion about the issue. Mainly, you're facing any respiratory issue. We will discuss, and I just want you to show how you know diagnosis is done in naturopathy way. Okay, what are the things we have to see, and what are the lifestyle changes. Okay, I just wanted to give you an idea about this naturopathy system. Okay, so it will really boost your confidence. Okay, so can I have anyone here? Inshallah, just raise your hand. I can unmute yourself and we'll have a small discussion. Yeah, there is someone here. Uh, Yeah, I have unmuted you. Can you, sister, can you talk? I have unmuted your mic. Hmm, I don't know. I just unmuted your mic. I don't know if you're unable to speak. Hold on. Zaid, sister Zaid, can
Assalamu
talk.
alaikum.
Walaikum salam, sister. Tell me. Yeah, you're from which place, sister?
Bangalore.
Bangalore. Can I have your age?
40.
Okay. Jazakallah khair. Yeah, sister, go ahead. What are the symptoms you have? Do you have respiratory issues? Please go ahead. Usually, what kind of troubles you're having? Let me know. Inshallah.
What is it?
You have sore throat?
Any smell, if I get, yeah, sore throat. All the time I'm having a running nose
Okay.
and I'm having a breathing problem also.
Right, right.
I get to this wheezing, when I'm talking to somebody also, they can also make out that, are you having cold? Why are you humming like this?
Okay,
If you
fine.
walk
So,
upstairs and all something, all they'll be
like, do you
asking.
have this issue? Is this a chronic issue? Are you facing this since long time? Or
Yes, yes.
okay,
My
so
my actually my father, my grandparents, they
mhm.
all had so hereditary.
Okay. Do you usually fall sick during the winter season or when it's rainy? Are you
No,
okay
no.
when it is summer?
Alhamdulillah, I used to.
So
Summer, I'm getting very this thing.
okay, you rarely get cold issues, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So usually what, mostly during the winter and the cold seasons, usually what kind of taste do you prefer? Is it spicy or is it salty?
Spicy.
Spicy. Okay. So did you check your tongue in the front of mirror? If you check your tongue, like, so did you
Yes,
notice that it is somewhat pale? Usually it should be a little
yes,
bit
yes.
pink. Do you feel that your tongue is a little bit pale?
Yeah, it's
Okay,
yes.
right.
Yes.
Right. So when you get this, when you have phlegm, what is the usual color of the, what are most of the time, what is the color of your phlegm? It is white, whether it's white or yellow.
Uh, White.
Okay. Is it very watery?
No.
Okay. So sometimes it's like most of the times it is thick. Is it?
Yes.
Fine, fine, fine.
Yes.
Right. So when you get up in the morning, like usually when you get up from your bed, do you feel heavy, very heavy and, very less energetic, very lethargic? Do you feel that when you get up?
Yes. All the time. Yes. And suddenly, out of the blue moon, I don't know from where the energy comes, and I do all kind of work at that particular maybe half an hour or 1 hour, but a whole day, I like a very kind of a heavy thing.
Mm-hmm. And sometimes do you feel no dizziness like when you look up or look down suddenly? Do you feel that dizzy feeling in your head or
Sometimes,
something heavy? Huh?
sometimes, very sometimes, not always. Sometimes, but I don't feel like sitting. I always want to lie down. I always want to, uh,
Mm-hmm.
क्या बोलते हैं? Always want to lie down. I don't even sit.
Gee, sister. Okay, sister. Jazakallah khair. So be
Jazakallah.
online. Inshallah, I'll let you know. I'll help you, inshallah. We're telling few very important tips, inshallah. Jazakallah khair. Right. So Uh, See, Sister Zaid is a classic example of uh, cold type body, cold temperament. Okay. She said that she often gets cold, and she also has uh, she believes that it's a hereditary disease. Okay, it's there in her genes. This is what she thinks. Okay, and her tongue is pale, right? And she falls sick mostly during the winter and during the rainy seasons. And when she develops this cold, she prefers spicy, pungent food. Her tongue is pale. Okay, when she gets up, she is not like active, and she feels dizzy sometimes. Okay, see, this is a classic example of cold temperament person. See, we have different types of people. Like, okay, so there are mostly importantly there are four types of people: cold, hot, dry, and uh, the another cold type. I'll tell you later, inshallah. So there are uh, four types of people, four temperaments. Okay, cold, hot, moist, dry. Okay, so according to their temperament, they have to uh, change their lifestyle. Okay, like sister said, Zaid, she said that she always, likes to lie down. She's less energetic. Okay, she should come out of that. Okay, she should become active, right? And she is preferring spicy food, so she has to take more spicy food. Okay, so see, when our body has some kind of deficiency, it gives us the signal. Okay, the sensation. Somebody, has a lot of cold inside the body, they will prefer eating spicy food. So that means that we have to respect our body sensation. We have to take more spicy food, but we have to take it uh, very quality and as well as natural spicy foods. Okay, so in that case, they have to take more ginger, they have to take more garlic, okay, and cinnamon. These are all spicy herbs. This will really help the person to get rid of all these cold issues. Okay, so why did I ask about the tongue? Because tongue is, the projection, the outer projection of the inner side of the body. Whatever happens inside, okay, it is shown onto the tongue. Okay, we can picturize, we can find out, we can diagnose whatever the issue is by just looking at the tongue. Okay, the color, the texture, the shape, and all those markings, dents and cracks on the sides or on the middle part of the tongue. Each part of the tongue shows us you know, the story about each and every organ. Okay, right. So the tongue, the taste, the preference of taste, the body's energy level, then you have the temperament. All these things, help us to diagnose and tell what kind of person has what kind of disease. Okay, so this is how we, acupuncturists and diet therapists, they diagnose people. Okay, and give them the right, right lifestyle, the right diet, and also the Thibb herbs. Clear? Right. So, Sister Zaid, inshallah. Okay. Your symptoms will come down if you regularly, take cinnamon tea. Take cinnamon tea once in a while. Okay, and take lots of honey because it's good for the phlegm. It improves your immunity, right? And also, like today we have postal bahri class, isn't it? So we can take this nuskha, which is there on the screen. You can take uh, either kustal bahri directly with mixing with water, or you can mix with honey and take. Okay, right. So what you have to avoid? See, when we diagnose and we want to give a treatment plan to a patient, we have to do two things. One is we have to tell them what things you don't have to do. Okay, so that the symptoms don't aggravate. Okay. Number two is what? We tell them things to do which will really help them to heal from inside. So for you, sister, for whom I said, you have to really avoid cold food. Don't drink cold, cold drinks, and don't use refrigerated items, and also avoid fruits which have lot of water content. Like for example, watermelon. Then you have your muskmelon. Then you have your grapes, which has lot of water content. Okay, when you take all these fruits in summer, that is not going to do anything. Okay, but when you take when you're you have cold issues and when it is winter season, okay, then those things will aggravate your symptoms. Clear? Right. So this is how we need to diagnose and get the right treatment plan according to Thib, according to the diet. Okay, we also have acupressure points, which really helps us in enhancing our immune system and reducing our health issues. Inshallah. Right. Again, there is one brother or sister I don't know. I can't recognize by their name. Okay. So here someone is asking whether ginger and cinnamon is it good for people having liver issues? You have to find out. We have to diagnose first what kind of liver issues you have. Okay, because cinnamon and ginger, they increase the heat levels in the body. So if the liver has some issue, okay, it might affect the liver because liver is already what? It's a hot organ. Okay, it stores the blood. It has a lot of heat. So if you take all those things which aggravate the heat, it is going to affect the liver. So we have to first diagnose, right? Fatty liver, it's not a problem. Okay, inshallah. Right. So now we move on to the next nuska, skin detoxifier. Yeah. Right. So this nuskha is for all issues such as pimples, scars, burns, eczema. You can also use for bites, insect bites. Thrush can use as a face mask. It can also be used for babies' nappy rash. Okay. So it's all-rounder skin disinfector. Take down the nuskha, 1 teaspoon of Custus powder. Okay. You add this with 1 teaspoon of honey mixed together. Okay, then your nuskha is ready. So you can use it topically, you can apply it on your skin directly. Okay, so usually if you take it in, inshallah, that is also going to help you. Okay, you can also apply it topically if you want. Okay, this is a very good skin conditioner. It takes care of blemishes, spots on the skin, they disappear. Okay, and there are many products out there, Sunnah products, okay, which has the same ingredients. You can buy. Either you can buy or you can make your own preparation at your home. Only thing is you have to get these two ingredients and you have to start preparing. Clear? Right. Our next nuskha is the beauty cream. Okay. This is a general one. Okay. Can be used by anyone generally to really enhance the beauty, to enhance the texture of the skin. Okay. So you have to take 1 teaspoon of Costus Root powder, add this with 1 teaspoon of honey and 2 teaspoons of rose water. Okay, rose water. Okay, so usually rose, okay, gulkan, this is used for beauty, to enhance the beauty. Okay, right? So you have this mixture, you prepare this mixture, and you can start, you know, applying on your face. You have to spread this paste on your face. You have to leave it for now 1 hour, and then you have to wash it, rinse it later. Okay, and try to avoid to try to avoid your eyes. You don't have to put this mixture into your eyes because it has honey and a lot of bitter taste. So best is to avoid the eyes. Clear? Right. So this is the beauty cream which you are using based on Pustal Bahari. Okay. Right. So I think there's okay. I can take one more call here. Let's see who is here. Sister Sajida. Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah, sister. Tell me, sister. You are from?
Yes, so I'm from India. Stay in Bahrain.
Sorry, which city, sister?
Bahrain.
Bahrain. Yes, sister.
Yes.
What is the usual problem? Tell me.
Actually, I've been suffering with PCOD for, I had it initially and
Mm-hmm.
now it's gone, alhamdulillah, but the hair loss that I had is not recovering. So, is there any treatment for that?
Hair loss.
Yeah.
Right. So, can I know your age, please?
22 right now.
22. So, okay, are you undergoing any hormonal like imbalances? Do you have facial hair and are you putting on weight?
No, everything is normal.
Okay, everything is normal. Right. So, for now hair loss, what I can suggest is you can the best medicine for hair loss is using uh, onion oil. Onion oil. Make a note. Okay. This onion oil is very good for hair loss. Okay. And also you can take this kustal bahari along with honey. Okay. Let me show you. Yeah, this one. Detoxifier and hormone balance. Okay. Always use cedar honey. Okay. Cedar honey plus Costus root powder. Okay. You do take this, inshallah. Your hormonal imbalances, whatever remains, inshallah, it will come back to the normal levels. It will also help you to strengthen your liver. Okay. And for external use, you can use that onion oil. Okay. So that onion oil, you can, you know, use it. You can put it on your hair and you'll see, inshallah, best results. Okay. Onion oil has a lot of minerals which helps the hair to grow. Okay. Right. Okay. So I think we are done for today. Okay. So let me tell you, we also offer an online course where you can learn lots of things related to Thibb Nabawi. Whoever you are, whether you are a person who is working in any other field other than medicine, health, you can join this course. It's a 25-day course. It's online. Okay, you can take up this course anytime. You can edit anytime. Okay, you get all the material through Google Classroom. You have videos. You will get PDF material. Also, you get all the recordings of all the sessions. Okay, and you also have tests where you can take, which will really help you to understand the concepts more clearly and apply in your daily life. Okay, so this is a 25-day class. Okay, this is uh, my work, which I have learned for the past 8 to 9 years. I have put it as a course, comes with a very affordable price, affordable fee. Okay, so you can join any time. You can just send me a message, WhatsApp. I'll just add you in the Google Classroom, right? And Lily, let me tell you that many people have benefited from this course. You can go and check it out. All the feedbacks in our Google page. Alhamdulillah. Okay. So I believe that every home should have a person who knows this knowledge so they can apply this knowledge to heal themselves and their family members. Okay. Right. So nowadays what is happening is we are, going behind this Western medicine. We are blind. We just blindly follow all those things which they say. 98%, right? Surgeries can be avoided. Okay. And all the drugs and medicine which is available, they have a lot of side effects. Prophet ﷺ has guided us with all these herbs, which doesn't have any, major side effects. So why don't we use them? Okay. So just to remind you that we believe in the Quran, we believe in the Sunnah. So in that case, we also should believe in the Sunnah medicine. Okay, it's our iman. Okay, so it's time to learn. It's time to implement, inshallah. Okay. So when you learn, you empower yourself. Okay. So also, you'll also get all the other videos which we have already done before, all the other courses, all the other workshops added to that package. Okay. And you get lifetime access to all the content, inshallah. Okay. So Jazakallah khair for being here today. So Jazakallah for all of you, for all your support. Okay. And yeah, don't worry for purchase, for buying Costus, I'll send you the links. Okay. There are many manufacturers, there are many suppliers, usually from Hyderabad. Okay. You can order them online. Okay. And you can use them. Okay. Even I am using the same products and they're really effective, alhamdulillah. Okay. And another thing is when you get to know all about this, the Sunnah medicine, the Sunnah remedies. Okay. And again, it's a responsibility on you that you convey this to others as well. Okay. So that others also get benefit. Okay. Please do it. Please refer all these medicines to others as well, because these are safe, 100% safe. They don't have any side effects. Okay. And when you tell them about the Sunnah remedy, and when they get the benefits, when they get the best results, okay, they'll be happy and their iman will also increase, inshallah. Okay. So Jazakallah for joining us today. So we'll meet up in the next class some other day, some other class, some other topic, inshallah. Okay. So usually I do sessions 2-3 times a month. Okay. And I also upload the videos, but most of the videos are only for the registered students who join our course. Jazakallah khair. وهذا بالله التوفيق وصلى الله على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين والحمد لله رب العالمين.